forces out. We have Larmagnac past the begin. Moving up for your eyes only. S26. Caloocan's Pride comes next. Boss, isa pa nga alongside Muracel. Jacinet's Blues, Open Mind, and Wadi Alaising. S26 now takes the lead by about 3 for Palenka. For your eyes only is by Darrell second. 5 lengths away in third, Larmagnac. 8 lengths for the back in fourth, Caloocan's Pride. And on the outside, Boss, isa pa nga Muracel, Open Mind, Jacinet's Blues, and Wadi Alaising. We've got For Your Eyes Only, and that's 26, fighting it out for the lead. A long way back to Larmagnac, Caloocan's Pride, Boss, isa pa nga Jacinet's Blues, Open Mind, Muracel, and Wadi Alaising. For Your Eyes Only, by about a length and a half. Yes, 26 still in second, Caloocan's Pride now in third. And still For Your Eyes Only, yes, 26 is on the outside second. Caloocan's Pride now coming closer in third as they come down at the last 200. For Your Eyes Only, Caloocan's Pride now moves about the outside. It's now Caloocan's Pride, For Your Eyes Only, Boss, isa pa nga moving up on the outside, Jacinet's Blues. We've got Caloocan's Pride moving up, Boss, isa pa nga, and finally, close finish between Caloocan's Pride, Boss, isa pa nga, Jacinet's Blues.
Well, kala natin makukuha na ni Caloocan's Pride, but meron tayong close finish for first between Boss Isa Pa Nga and number 3 Caloocan's Pride. Nagkaroon tayo ng early hounding between S26, that favorite and For Your Eyes Only. At meron nga po tayong close. Tingnan natin yung ating quarter clockings at meron tayong photo for first once again dito sa ating race number 7. Quarters of 17 and a half, 23 and a half, 24 and a half. Talagang killing pace yung first 3 quarters. Imagine 17 and 179 winners at 11 winners naman sa numero 9. Ito na po yung ating photo for first between Caloocan's Pride number 3 and number 9 Boss Isa Pa Nga. Ayun na rin si Jacinet's Blues. Oh. Lakas din ang dating nung uno. Anyway, wala na pong kukurap at eto na, mag-finish line na tayo. Ayan. Up. Huwag po kayong magre-rely dito dahil kuha po ito ng SLVN at hindi po yan ang official nakuha. Tuloy natin direct para makita natin yung